reception. Today I've made a paper airplane and I thought I'd show you how to make one too. First you're going to need a piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half. A good trick when you're folding it in half is to match the corners first before you run your finger down the side. So find the two corners, match them very carefully, and then you can run your fingers down the side. Next you're going to take the top corner and fold it very carefully so that it's lined up with the edge on this side. Again, match your corner, hold it down with your finger, and then very carefully run your finger to press it down. You're going to turn your paper over and do the same thing on the other side. Match the edges, hold it with your finger, and then press down along the edge. Your next step is to get the edge to join along with the bottom edge. Very carefully try and match them so that they're nice and neat before you run your finger across the top. Press quite hard when you're running your finger to make the edges nice and tight. Then you're going to turn your paper around and do the exact same thing on the other side, matching the edges very carefully before pressing along the top with your finger. The next fold is even trickier again. You're going to very carefully join the edges one more time. But now the paper's getting thicker, it's getting a little bit harder to fold. But just keep being very careful matching the edges before you run your finger across. Then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Very carefully matching the edges. Hold it down with the finger and then run your finger along the top. And now you've designed your airplane. Catch the middle parts and lift it up. Pull out the wings a little bit. And that is your dart paper plane.